If you have a house in Shaker Heights, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Shaker Heights. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Shaker Heights prefer to work with us rather than working with more of a traditional buyer who might be working with a real estate agent or might be using some kind of traditional mortgage lender to buy your house. So first and foremost, people love working with us because we're going to keep it easy because we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. This means no work for you. No trips to the Home Depot, no pulling out the paper towels and the Windex to clean and get this house ready. There's zero work that you need to do to the house. You don't got to clean anything and you don't got to haul anything away. A normal conversation with someone in Shaker Heights who's selling their houses, we'll tell them, just take anything that you want out of the house, anything that you don't want or don't need, you just can leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. But there is no money out of your pocket that you need to pay to get this house ready. There's no house that needs too much work or too little work. We'll buy the house in its as-is condition. And what allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition is we're a cash buyer. This is the main difference between us and then a traditional buyer who needs to use a lender or needs to use a mortgage. So we're a cash buyer, so we don't need to rely on any third party to approve this transaction. A traditional buyer using a mortgage or using a lender, well, they've got to get lender approval, and this lender, and first off, you know these lenders are banks, and you know banks have their own best interests in mind, right? They don't have your best interests in mind. They got their own best interests in mind. So what they're going to do is send this formal inspector through the house. It's very intrusive if you ask me. And they're going to test every outlet. They're going to test every switch and light switch and look at the electrical, look at the plumbing. They're going to find everything they possibly can that is wrong with this house. They're going to compile pages upon pages upon pages of things that are wrong with the house, and this can only be used against you. This is going to be used to hopefully get some discounts, hopefully get some credits, hopefully get some extensions from you. Waste your time further. And then if you survive this thorough inspection, it gets worse because now they have to send the appraiser through. The appraiser typically works directly for the bank, and they're going to find anything that they can to pull the rug out from under this thing, cancel the deal on you, leave you right back to where you started, and then that's a giant waste of time. But in real estate, it's not just wasting time, it's wasting money, because every day that goes by that you own this house that you're hoping they come through for you, rather than having certainty by selling to us and getting this thing done, but every day that you're wasting time, you're still paying utilities, you're still paying insurance, you're still paying for property taxes, there's opportunity cost because you should have had your hands on the proceeds from the sale a long time ago so you could move on. Right? So if you're looking to sell your house in Shaker Heights and get a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website. It's because we were founded in Columbus, but I am from the Cleveland area, and we're very familiar with working with people in Shaker Heights. So when we speak to you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about when you're looking to close, because you're going to be able to close this on your timeline. Again, if you work with a traditional buyer, you're closing on the bank's timeline if they even close. But you tell us if you want to close fast, we can make that happen. Or if you need flexibility and you want to set a future date, we'll make that happen as well. And then we need more information on the house, like the bedrooms, the bathrooms. It's a simple conversation. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, perfect. We can't wait to work with you. It's going to be easy and we'll get this thing done. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We're just going to shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure or fake urgency or sales tactics and gimmicks. This is not a call center. We are locals. You know those call centers that I'm talking about. They're the ones sending you the text messages and the cold calls, and they don't even get your name right. They got the address wrong. Half of these call centers, they're not even located in the United States, and they're trying to talk to you about your house in Shaker Heights like they even know what they're talking about. You want to work with locals who are going to treat you fair. So if you have a house in Shaker Heights, you want to get a fair cash offer from someone who is a direct buyer that'll buy the house in its as-is condition, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.